Excellent. 7 friendly sociable elephants. They are well looked after, treated without cruelty. The staff is friendly, booked on Klook with a discount, although the tour description says that the transfer is only from the beach, but we were picked up and brought from the hotel. There is a shower on site, they feed us with fruits. We took the Get Closer program. We had a great experience doing the cook and feed option. We were greeted by staff members and offered complimentary tea and coffee. Our guide Feen was amazing. She told us about the elephants and their care and explained why they give certain foods and herbs during our cooking lesson. After feeding the elephants, you get to enjoy more complimentary drinks and a lovely fruit platter. It was a wonderful experience, a mysterious and special time that seemed cut out from everyday life. I was also moved by the fact that the elephants were considerate of people, snuggled up to them, and communicated with them. The staff were very friendly and very service-minded. I was so happy and surprised that I, who participated alone, was able to It was an amazing experience. We went with our 5-year-old son and he loved every bit of it. There was a time when we still giving bath to the elephants and my son wanted to go out as he started shivering. The guide from this shelter said he will look after him on behalf. When we went back, we saw him drying my son's hair and entertaining him to stop the shivering. What a kind soul, seriously. 5-star for the experience, services and the staffs who were amazing activity. Place was clean, elephants look healthy. Communication was easy, even after we left. I texted to ask for the elephants' names and they quickly responded. The place was about 15 minutes ride on a tuk-tuk from Aonang. They helped us take our pics with our phones. The making of food was interesting and the first time feeding elephants and being up close to them. It was surreal and a very interesting experience that was so seamless from pick-up at the hotel to drop-off. The coconut water was a added bonus to end the day. Green heart emoji. It was really fun, educating and sweet encounter with the elephants. Staff were all accommodating and well organized. We'll definitely come back again soon. This was a wonderful experience. I highly recommend it. The people running this are very knowledgeable and professional. The elephants are well cared for. Smiley face emoji. The best experience. The place is very nice and clean, the elephants are well cared for and the staff is very friendly. Thanks for taking the photos. If we go back we will definitely do it again. It was a super duper fun experience and I will highly recommend everyone to go. It is a safe place to go and be close to the elephants. It is excellent place for kids and adults of any age. I love that this place provides shelter for elephants with no place to go. The guide and mahouts were friendly and they made sure we know how to feed and bathe the elephants. Highly recommended for those who'd like to come up close and personal with these gentle giants. And please don't be scared, this is probably one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life. The whole team of Elephant Shelter were very kind and accommodating. They even have their own photographer, which I thought they would ask additional fees for you to have your pictures, but they didn't. They will just send it to your email for free. You definitely should try this while in Krabi. All worth the time and money. It was a great experience. The elephants are taken good care of by the personnel. My kid had a great time feeding the elephants. Do visit.